I bought a Mercedes Coupe
Honda Shuttle,
Toyota Race X,
Mazda Bianti.
from Car Choice.
I got to know Car Choice from
Facebook.
A girlfriend, she recommended me to Car Choice.
We bought from Car Choice.
because they are transparent.
They actually find out what my needs were before they give the right recommendations.
We have plenty of choices.
They are approachable and professional.
And the most important one is they have excellent customer service.
They are also efficient. Admin work was pretty fast. I think within 2-3 days, everything was settled.
I would recommend
Car Choice to my family and friends because they are reliable and genuine.
Provided a very excellent service.
We definitely made a good choice at Car Choice.
Yeah.